Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Many Android users want to change the clock design on their lock screen. The default clock looks boring after some time. If you are looking to change the lock screen clock design, do not worry. I will show you how to do it step by step. First, open Settings on your phone. Now tap on the search bar at the top. Type Wallpaper and Style. Tap on the result when it appears. Next, tap on Lock Screen. Here you will see the clock option. Tap on Clock. Now you will see different clock designs. You can swipe and preview multiple clock styles. Select the clock design you like. You can also adjust the color or size if your phone supports it. After selecting the design, tap on Apply or Save. Lock your phone to check the new clock design. You will now see the updated clock on your lock screen. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Android customization and troubleshooting tutorials.